What's going on, YouTube? Puppy dog. Heading off to work. See the results of the snowstorm we had last night? It was a blizzard. It was madness. People eating other people. No food on the shelves. Oh. Snow falls in the south. People start wailing and gnashing teeth, complaining, and they can't drive. They can't do anything. They can't drive anyways, even when it's dry out. But they sure as heck can't drive when it's white stuff is falling from the sky. Driving the wife's car, the Mini. I went playing around yesterday. I was driving it all over the place. But I wanted to give a Sunday morning shout out to all my new subscribers. Some have been around for a little bit, but I haven't had a chance to get to you. I'm sorry. I apologize. Rude of me. I'm a very rude host. I don't mean to be. But I want to give most of these guys are from Buck and Billy Ray's channel, which is cool. But I wanted to give a big shout out to Fueled Iowa. You need to watch Buckin's video if you're going to try to bust up those knotted logs or rounds with a maul, buddy. Watching you try to do that with that Fiskars. Buck can show you how to do it. John Sommerfeld, you've been with me for a couple weeks now, or about a week or so. I appreciate it. Thank you. PK, I meant to give you a shout out last week. You subscribed, but you didn't show yourself to me, and until after I had done the shout out. And you popped up on there, so thank you for subscribing. I'm looking forward to some videos from you. I'd like to see some content, see what you do. I'm always interested in logging videos. I don't know why. Maybe because I came from the Pacific Northwest and logging is something that is in our family, but I haven't been doing any logging. A little bit. Saw Surgeon, welcome, brother. I always enjoy your comments. Always sage, wise advice. So I'm assuming that it's your better half that's commenting on your behalf. No, I'm giving you a hard time, brother. But I appreciate it. I always enjoy your comments. Get over there. Thumbs in the way. TIG bar C, TIG bar C locking. I'm not trying to do this like Mackenzie, Arbor M45. I cannot do it by memory. I cannot do it by rote. Alright, so don't expect me to. I've got it written down. I've got names on the dash. I'm trying to drive. I'm trying to video. And don't worry. I can do this. I'm a professional. Besides, I stayed at a Motel 6. Alright. Where's it? Gear shift. There we go. Let's see. You gonna give me some room over there? Alright. Here we go. Onto the main road. Listen to that little engine whine. I love this car. This is one of the best cars we've had in a long time. Little Mini Cooper Clubman S, the turbo version. Sorry about my thumb being in the way. Here we go. And the sun's in the way. Sorry about that as well. So that's about it for the shout out. Heading to work. Like I said, my wife and I spent the day together yesterday. We were running around getting some stuff. We got the insurance check from the company, the insurance company, for the repairs on our kitchen floor. Wasn't as much as I thought it was going to be. If I had my way, I would be ripping the entire floor out and replacing the subfloor and all the decking and everything like that. But apparently the insurance company thinks that all we need to do is a patch job. So I guess that's what we're going to do. We're going to do a patch job. But, you know, I was hoping to be, you know, it would have been nice to put down some hardwood flooring and redesign the kitchen island. I don't know what I was thinking. The insurance company's not going to pay for that. That's going to have to come out of my pocket. But it was worth a try, right? Definitely need to replace that floor. It's getting mushy. Nice little car. My wife loves this car. It's her baby. So, again, heading off to work. Give a shout out. Big thank you. I appreciate every single one of you. Leave comments, please. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will comment. Try to do this every week. Focus on motorcycles. Beautiful day for it. A little chilly out. Wish I was doing it, but by the time I get ready to ride home, it'll be down in the 30s, and I still haven't got the bike sorted out as far as winter riding. Okay, enough of that. Going down another rabbit hole. So, again, subscribe, leave comments, like if you like. Give me the thumbs down if you don't like it. But I appreciate every one of you. Until next time, y'all have a good one. Bye.